Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ARSTPEOE, under Sink Organizer. There are features include sliding drawer design. The bottom drawer features a pull-out design, providing a convenient way to access items in a limited space. Sturdy and durable. The multifunctional storage organizer is made of high-quality thick plastic and metal tubes, ensuring greater load-bearing capacity and resistance to deformation. Large capacity. Sized at 14.1 x 9.8 x 13.1 inches each, suitable for storage in kitchens, bathrooms, cosmetics, and more. Easy to install. The product comes with an assembly manual, and it can be easily assembled by following the instructions. Easy to clean. ABS and metal materials have waterproof and rust-resistant functions, allowing you to easily clean the basket with a damp cloth. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.